In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Behance. Now, whether you're stepping away from your computer for a bit or just making sure to keep your workspace secure, it's smart to know exactly how to sign out of your online accounts. Let's walk through the simple yet essential process of logging out of your Behance account while using a web browser. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Behance account. So, open up your preferred web browser and type in behance.net if you haven't already. Once the site loads, you'll be greeted by the Behance homepage. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're comfortably signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see your avatar, which is essentially your profile picture or just an icon if you haven't personalized it yet. Give it a click. The moment you do this, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu is your gateway to various account settings and options. As you glance through the menu, scroll down a bit until you spot the Logout or Sign Out option. This is what you're after. It's worth noting that this option might sometimes be a bit hidden among other commands, but with a careful look, you'll spot it easily. Now go ahead and click Log Out. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself signed out of your Behance account successfully. You might also be redirected to a homepage or a login screen, which is Behance's way of confirming that the action has been completed. And there you have it. You're officially logged out. Logging out is always a good habit, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. It helps to protect your creative projects and personal information from any unintended access. So, remember, whenever you've finished exploring or updating your creative works and need to step away, logging out is quick and smart. Hopefully, you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more handy how-tos and tips in future videos.